This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Align Right. A perfect place to call home. This 4-bedroom home is the epitome of peace and serenity. It is easy to simply fall in love with its open floor plan and beautifully updated kitchen that is perfect for hosting an entertaining guest. Its large island, granite countertops, and exquisite light fixtures greatly complement the tile flooring. There is ample amount of space in each bedroom and plenty of closet/storage space throughout this home. As you walk into the entryway, you're greeted with an abundance of natural light, a large living area and a clear view of the home's backyard pond. The master suite is fairly large with a pond view, a walk-in closet, and also includes a bathroom with a walk-in shower and dual his/her sinks. Additional features of this home include pavers in the driveway and patio, a large garage for extra storage, and new lighting for a unique touch. As it was just built in 2019, this home is fairly new and simply beautiful. For more information, review the details below or contact Align Right at 727-286-8789.